Giant wood crushers play an important role in the forestry industry today. These devices not only optimize the wood processing process, but also contribute to environmental protection. Let's follow the operation of these advanced machines. Please subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting videos. Let's start with the massive rotochopper B66T horizontal crusher that is a game changer in waste management, easily converting tree debris into usable biomass fuel. With a 600 horsepower cat engine and 318 horsepower clutch, the Moorbach 1100 barrel grinder is capable of crushing large volumes of wood scrap with ease, turning it into high-value fuel used in consumer products. Equipped with a Ford 300 L6 gasoline engine with 120 horsepower, the wood planer is highly efficient. The Altec WC 612 1998 is a powerful drum chipper, very important in the woodworking industry. The Bandit Model 21XP chip chipper is equipped with a Cummins turbo diesel engine, producing 275 horsepower and is a formidable force in the wood chip industry. Incredibly powerful with a diameter of up to 36 inches, the Vermeer WC 2300 XL whole tree chipper efficiently turns large logs into high-quality wood chips, promoting productivity and sustainability in woodworking operations. With the ability to process up to 1,000 pallets per hour, the rotochopper B66L pallet crusher plays a vital role in diverting wood waste from landfills and creating valuable products for various industries. The M&J 4000 wood shredder is an advanced machine that can process large volumes of wood waste efficiently, turning it into valuable resources such as mulch or biomass fuel. With powerful blades and efficient processing capabilities, the wood chipper can process large volumes of wood material, reducing waste and producing valuable wood chips for various applications. With its advanced disc design and powerful motor, the wood chipper can effectively chisel large volumes of wood material, making it an important tool in forestry. The VZ850 adhere is a flexible and efficient solution to address diverse shredding needs, making it an indispensable asset across a variety of industries. The Bruyere Forestry Bandit 2680 Beastwood chipper is equipped with a Cummins V6 diesel engine and can easily cut through large volumes of wood material, demonstrating efficiency and reliability, setting the standard for wood chippers in the industry. Capable of processing materials up to 40 inches in diameter. The Dopstad DW3060F Rotor wood chipper plays an important role in waste management and recycling, turning wood waste into valuable resources such as mulch or biomass fuel. The wood crusher and crane combo is a dynamic duo in the forestry industry, revolutionizing the way wood waste is managed, contributing to sustainable forestry practices and environmental conservation efforts. The Comtech 600 HP multifunction wood chipper is a tool that effectively converts old wood into biomass fuel. With its sturdy design and powerful engine, it produces up to 50 tons of biomass fuel per hour. With powerful blades and efficient motors, the wood chipper can process large volumes of wood material and turn branches, logs and other wood waste into valuable wood chips. The RGS Raptor XXL is a chipper capable of processing up to 200 tons of material per hour. It plays an important role in recycling wood waste and reducing landfill use. The 2015 Peterson 5110C is a powerhouse in the wood grinding industry. Renowned for its efficiency and reliability, it can process large volumes of wood materials with ease. The DW3060 shredder has a powerful motor and can shred many different materials at impressive speeds. Capable of processing up to 50 tons of material per hour, it plays a vital role in wood waste reduction and recycling efforts. Modern large automatic wood chippers have advanced features and powerful motors. These can process large quantities of wood materials in record time, turning discarded logs into valuable fuel and serving services for other industries. This is a close-up of the wood crushing process of a compact, advanced machine that can easily move in all difficult terrains, turning logs into valuable small pieces. Thanks to this compact, homemade machine, the process of shredding wood logs becomes easy and effective, saving a short amount of time and human labour. With its sturdy construction and powerful motor, the Bandit 3590 forest grinder can handle large trees and brush with ease, contributing to environmental sustainability. A large tree of wood was processed in a short period of time, thanks to an advanced wood chipping machine with a powerful engine combined with sharp blades. Capable of chipping up to 30 cubic meters of pine wood per hour, the wood chipper efficiently turns pine wood into useful wood chips, playing an important role in wood processing, mulching, and biomass production. The Urban EM110 is a versatile and efficient wood chipper, essential in the landscape and forestry sectors. With its compact design and powerful motor, the machine can process wood materials at impressive speeds. With a powerful motor delivering up to 174 horsepower, the Vermeer 1600A chipper can handle large volumes of wood materials with ease. These devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know what you think. We promise to bring you more interesting videos. See you again. Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.